How to build a $5,000 to $15,000 per month barbershop or hair salon in 90 days using our lead management system called Clip Leads, where we help you retain customers, manage operations, and increase revenue. Using our system, All Inclusive Barbershop got 22 leads in just 6 days. A lifetime value of a customer is $600, so that is a lot of sales in just 6 days that they generated. So who is this for? If you're a barbershop owner or you own a hair salon, this system is for you. So just an update, 2023, we did a lot of changes on marketing, a lot of testing and learning. And the old way of marketing and sales, one, was you were hoping that the phone would ring all the time. Two, relying on referrals. But referrals, phone rings, and local foot traffic, we are seeing that decrease year over year. Also, probably wasting time posting a ton of content on Instagram. Again, no ROI. Or worst, we did a study where we had a barbershop and they had a Squarespace website and they were forcing everyone to book through Squire. They lost 8 out of 10 sales that they were leaving money on the table using that setup as their system. Horrible system. So if you're using any of those websites or any of those booking apps, you're leaving money on the table, thousands of dollars. So what is the new way? Using a lead management system, one where we have a custom mobile website. Everything is mobile now. That captures leads. Our system books them on the calendar. And then we have a loyalty program that repeats, books them throughout the year so they come back to your barbershop or hair salon year after year. Then you, as the manager, get a beautiful, informative, real-time sales dashboard where you could track the sales of your barbershop or multiple locations in one sales dashboard and break it down by barber. So what are the benefits of using our system? One, you can increase your monthly bookings, increase the lifetime customer value, reduce no-shows. We're going to streamline your operations. You get real-time earning dashboard, but more importantly, you actually get a sales and marketing team behind you supporting your growth. Every month, we're looking to how to grow your business. That's the dedicated team. So in 22 days or in 6 days, we got 22 leads for this barbershop, and we could do the same for you. Our system is very easy. So step one, book a call with our team in 15 minutes. We'll make sure you are a good fit for our program. Then, if accepted into our program, we will build the custom system in 5 days ready to go live, and then we will spend the next 2 months as a one-on-one sales and marketing training so that you can close more sales month after month. I'm Jonathan Acuna with Global Builders Club. We build these lead acquisition systems for barbershops and hair salons. So if you're ready to take your shop to the next level, simply click the link on this website to request a demo. I'll see you there.